Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy CRT Analysis coming to you again with a quick market breakdown. Not to waste any time, we'll go straight into it. We are on Euro NZD and we are in a short, currently running up 1.5%, aiming for this low over here, which is 4.4%. So I'll be running down a top-down analysis on how I got to this trade over here. So firstly, we go into the daily time frame. That's where we begin with all our analysis. First thing we're looking for is our trend. What trend are we in? And that will determine the position we will put ourselves in the market. So the first thing I'd like to highlight is the highs and the lows on the bigger time frame, because the bigger time frame obviously holds more weight. So as you can see there, this high couldn't break this high over here, so we came up and pushed down. That indicated to us that we are going in for shorts. We are on a downtrend and we have confirmation over one and we're looking for confirmation number two. This is confirmation number two. We fail to break this key level over here. You can call it a key level, a value area, doesn't matter as long as you understand what you're doing in the market. So this value area over here, we fail to break above, push back down. That's another confirmation that tells us that okay, we are on a downtrend. Let me just remove that. Now that we have our level over here that we are trading, we're going on to the 4 hour. The 4 hour and the daily is basically the same. It's just that the 4 hour gives you more of details. Here's a trade that we could have taken, but we missed the trade. This is something we could have taken, but unfortunately we missed it. Not too bad, because there's always more opportunities in the market. Okay, so that's that. We move forward, focus on the next trade. So something that I noticed is that the market always repeats itself the same way it did here. I don't know if you can see the same way it did here. See the uptrend, broke, a retest, came again down. But now here on a smaller scale, here you can see an uptrend, broke this level over here. We are on a downtrend. So there's two ways you could have entered this trade. It's either on the 4 hour, like that, or on a 1 hour, which makes things more clear. You can see there, you can see the pattern. Higher high, higher low, higher high, break structure, come and downtrend. And this is how we got to where we are. So this is the goal, this is the target for now, but I'm thinking the market might move over here. So the next thing we will focus on is this area. That's the next thing we'll focus on. So what we could expect and predict is another break and retest side, something like this. Mark over here like this, and another short position, something like this. And target over here, our TP, over there. So that's that, guys. This is the breakdown of how I trade and how I approach the markets. It's very clean, simple, not too much going on. Just stick to your plan, wait for confirmation, seek for confirmation, and yeah, CRT analysis to you. More videos coming out in the near future. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed.